The idea of this project is to engage students as partners in the learning process.
Hello, I'm Senda, and having been a learning partner was amazing. I loved getting to know my classmates better, but also it helped me to expand my communication and leadership skills.
My name is Gil Hausman, and as a learning partner, I've learned how to increase my time and project management skills, and also how to work with colleagues from different departments of the School of Management and the Department of Computer Science.
Hello, my name is Slaviana, and being a learning partner improved my teamwork skills.
I strongly believe that other lecturers should definitely implement this type of projects. It will help them learn to know their students better and also improve their module overall.
All students on the module benefited from the Learning Partner initiative because it helped to improve the module on the go instead of waiting for a traditional SEQ system to raise any concerns.
In a conventional lecture, the relationship between students and the lecturers is a passive one, where the lecturer is an expert delivering content and the students are passive recipients.
Other students benefit from this project because changes are implemented according to their wants and their needs, and the overall delivery of the module improves over time.
Like, if you were to pick the things that you like the most about the module, what would it be?
That would be the e-lectures, I guess. I enjoy having very precise lectures that are recorded, so you can re-listen to them at any time.
It goes beyond the flipped classroom model. In the flipped classroom, you change the circumstances under which material is delivered online or in the classroom. With Learning Partners Project, you change the relationship between the lecturer and the students so that students become active participants in their own learning.
Yeah, you gave us the task of reaching out to students in our year doing this module, getting some written or some audio feedback. So I thought we could discuss that today.
So we should definitely discuss the content we have, but I think also build upon that. So say what can be done to answer students' requests, basically, or like maybe, because we receive feedback, but so they know we're collecting feedback. We're 3 students, each of us interviewed 3 students, so a lot of them know that we're learning partners, so they just don't want to give feedback. They also want to hear that we're going to do something about it, right? So that's the entire point.
I think the project has really revolutionised how I think about teaching and learning. Under the old model, it was a process of transferring information into the heads of students. We were kind of locked into that old-fashioned lecture model of teaching. And now the process of learning is a process of engaging students as participants in their own learning.
Is that question you were asking, like, remove the coursework and implement an exam?
Essentially, before it was kind of essay-based thing before Chris Evans. So it's like the question is like, is it better to have interactive design, something that we build with our hands, like we actually do something interactive, rather than writing an essay about some academic thing?
Yeah, and I kind of fundamentally disagree with the exam for this, right? It's kind of like having an exam for painting, right? I think this is like an inherently pragmatic module, right? And so the coursework, despite its flaws, I think it enables people to practice what's being taught, right? And ultimately, I think the purpose of this is that you can go out and you can actually do this at whatever company you work for, right?
Hello, Professor Rogers. Thank you so much for your time. So let's talk a bit about the guest lecture on our smart interfaces changing who we are. So we know that you picked this particular topic for the guest lecture. Could you tell us what motivated you to do so, and also your interest in this particular topic?
It's something that I've been interested in more and more over the last year or two, particularly with the introduction of smart TV and the smart speakers, and I've also worked on a project on smart cities. So everyone's talking about smart this, smart that, and I've been thinking, well, what do they exactly mean? And the more think about the different technologies, the more there is something that's common to all of them, which is this ability to act on behalf of the user and automate various tasks and to try and make it a bit more intelligent. But actually, there's a lot that we need to think about as designers as to how to manage that dialogue between the user and the technology as we try and make it smarter. So within computer science, it tends to mean automate, take the user out of the loop, and I don't think that's the right way forward at all.
I think my view of students having worked with the learning partners has changed radically. So I no longer see them as kind of the people I have to deliver things to. Now I see them as kind of colleagues, and we're working together on producing the best learning experience possible.